Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're having halal snack pack. For anyone that's never heard of HSP halal snack pack, there's pretty much 3 layers. At the top it's doner kebab meat, cheese in the middle, my favorite, and at the bottom chips. And typically you get 3 different type of sauce to put on the snack pack. I got barbecue, hot chili, and last but not least you have to get the garlic sauce. Alright, I'm hungry. Let's eat. Ta-da! Take a look at that, guys. That is beautiful. It's been a very long time since I've had halal snack pack, and I think there was a couple of people that asked me to eat this, so let's eat. Oh man. Alright, first bite. It's a bit of chips, bit of meat. Man, I've missed this. Oh, look at that cheese. Oh yeah, look at that cheese. Oh man, that's beautiful. The only problem I have with this, guys, they didn't put enough garlic sauce. You need plenty of garlic sauce with this. Oh, cheesy chips. Look at that clump of goodness. I love everything about this. And yeah, I got the large pack. Honestly, don't even know if this look appetizing to you guys, but this is sort of junk food, so it's meant to look super messy. So, you know what? Don't worry about it not looking delicious, because man, it tastes delicious. This honestly would have been so much better if they used better quality chips. 'Cause to me, it actually tastes like it's been frozen for a while, and they just chuck it in the deep fryer. You know what? It's all good. I'm not that fussy with my food, so. Look at that clump of cheese holding everything together. Oh, not anymore. I actually thought I was going to struggle to finish this. I think I could eat whole kebab after this. This is the best bit, guys. All the chips at the bottom soaked up all the juice from the meat. Actually, this is probably just fat. Good enough. I had to wait till the very last piece to drop something on my shirt. Alright guys, I'm done. I probably could still eat, but I ain't got no food left.